welcome back to the series of scenario based interview question and answer in a SQL. So our task is to find out common records from the two tables. So we have these two tables, one is employee table and one is employee data table, and we want to find out common records from the two tables. So to see the data, what we write here, we can write select query. So I am writing select query to fetch data from the employee table. So write select star from employee table. Run this. So this is our employee table. Similarly, to fetch the data from employee data table, we can write the select query as select star from employee data table. And now run this. So this is the employee data table. And we want to find out those records which are present in both the tables, that are the common records. So we just need to write here as intersect. Okay, so now run this query. So these 5 records are present in both tables. So these are the common records which are present in both tables. So like this we can fetch common records from the given tables. Till then, stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.